Wow, that was a great movement. How'd that feel?
Felt great.
Awesome. You ready for an awesome adjustment today?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. I'll get you stretched out a little bit here. And you know, all that tension that you've been having in your upper thoracic spine and in your lower cervical spine, we're going to really focus on that today. I know you've been having pain in your shoulders and in your neck. Beautiful. That's the one. And I remember when you started, you were having pain shooting down your leg into your foot. I know that's been gone for a while, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Beautiful. Gotcha. Wow, that moved great. Wow. Nice and relaxed for me. Oh my goodness. That's a big movement today. That's fantastic.
Thank you.
You're welcome.